What's up, guys? I'm Lithex, CEO and founder of Lithex Productions, and today we're going to look at how we can add the new Unity input system into our project. Hey guys, before we get started, I just wanted to let you know that we are currently in development of a full Udemy course for game design. It's taken a lot of work, but I hope you guys love it as much as I've been loving creating it for you. And the course will be free for our top tier patrons as a special thanks for all of the support you've given us so far. But without further ado, let's just get into it. This is going to be a very simple and fast tutorial. So what you want to do when you add the new Unity input system is you'll actually go up here to Window, and then you want to go to Package Manager. Inside your Package Manager, you'll notice that there's these drop downs. So we're going to change this to Unity Registry. Now we're just going to type input in this search bar, and you'll see it pop up here. So you can click this and hit install. You'll notice that there are some samples that you can install afterwards. We're not going to worry about that right now because these are very much so specific to things that you're wanting to do. So it's going to import, and then you're going to get this little pop-up. And this is where a quick disclaimer comes in for if you're going to use the new Unity input system. This system will overwrite the old system. So if you're putting this into an existing project and you're using any of the inputs from that old system, that code will break and you'll have to change it to match the new input system. Um, so it's going to pop up with this, and if you want to swap your systems over, then you hit yes. And this is just an empty project, so I have nothing to worry about. It's going to do some loading, and then whenever it's done importing, it's going to restart Unity. And that's totally fine. It's supposed to do that. So you have no worries there. And depending on, um, you know, what you're building, um, those those packages that I was showing you before can be helpful. But for the most part, you don't necessarily need them just to get started in building with them. And there you go. You now have the new Unity input system. And for quick clarification, I made this video because I'm going to be doing a lot of videos on this input system, and I don't want to explain how to put it in there every time. So now you guys know ahead of time, and we can just get moving on forward with the rest of the videos. So thank you guys so much for watching. Remember, if you're not subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button, smash the like button, and until next time, guys, peace.